giving my dog a bath. This is my dog. If I can get him over here. This is my little dog. He is scared of the water. Scared of the water. Look at him, scary. Oh, look at him, look at him. Okay, so we have to do this quick because we only have 4 minutes and 39 seconds. So, okay, Oreo. No. Okay, in the water. Right here. Okay. Come here. Where's the camera? I can't really see him, but anyway. Let's see what these are. I'm using my awesome sauce cup that I got for Christmas. Which I don't want to, but don't want to go out and let him get out. I'm going to try one too, so it's real quick. Now, this one smell good.